What's the meaning of bright young thing? Bright young thing. Bright young thing.
Bright young thing. Bright young thing. The term bright young thing typically refers to a young person who is fashionable, lively, and socially prominent. It originated in the early 20th century to describe a group of wealthy, aristocratic British socialites who were known for their flamboyant lifestyles and scandalous behavior. Today, the term is used more broadly to refer to any young person who is seen as talented, ambitious, and likely to succeed. A bright young thing is often associated with creativity, intelligence, and a willingness to take risks. They are seen as the future of their respective fields and are often admired by others for their unique perspectives and ideas.